Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be putting in my phone in the fridge and see what it looks like when the fridge is closed, alright? Let's go. Alright, we have a fridge in the kitchen, I mean duh. Anyway, put it right here and let's see what it looks like. See you guys on the inside. Okay, I'm going to go see the footage and then I'm going to go upload it. I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm going to upload tomorrow.